Children, welcome to online class. Let's continue the lesson is Jumbo of Indian Cricket, Anil Kumble. Let's start the question and answer. Write answer to the following in your notebook. Write answer to the following in your notebook. Which club did Anil Kumble join? Which club did Anil Kumble join? Answer is he joined Young Cricket Club. He joined a Young Cricket Club. Next is what has Anil Kumble studied? What has Anil Kumble studied? Anil Kumble, answer is Anil Kumble studies mechanical engineering. What he studied? He studied mechanical engineering. Next is what is record set by Anil Kumble? What is record set by Anil Kumble? Everyone is know that. Yes, answer is Anil set a new record by taking all 10 wickets in single innings. What should he record? Anil Kumble set a new record by all 10 wickets in single innings. Next is how has the Karnataka government honored Anil Kumble? How has the Karnataka government honored Anil Kumble? Answer is government of Karnataka has honored him by naming a roundabout in Bengaluru, the Anil Kumble Circle. Answer is government of Karnataka has honored him by naming a roundabout in Bengaluru Anil Kumble Circle. Look at the picture, page number 5. Match the following. Do you know these cricketers? They are from Karnataka. Let's see if you can match the names with the picture. Who is this? Who is this? Shanta Raghuswamy. Second is Robin Uthappa. Third one is Rahul Dravid. Fourth one is Gundappa Vishwanath. Next is, look at the page number 6. Some games are indoor playing and some games are outdoor playing. Which game is indoor playing? See here. Carom, chess. This one is indoor playing. And outdoor playing is horse riding, kabaddi, karate also. Swimming is not game. This is sports. It's one also outdoor game also. So you should write here indoor playing games and outdoor playing games. Next is let's practice language. Look at the little boy. What is he doing? Look at the little boy. What is he doing? He is running. What is she, the little girl, doing? She is eating. You should write the what do these words running and eating tell us? They tell us what the boy and the girl are doing. Running and eating. These words are action words. Next is, now look at these pictures and write the action words for each picture. What she doing? Yes, you should write here. Suma is writing. Raju is playing a cricket. Sonu is laughing. The woman is driving a bus. The boy is praying to the God. Okay. Look at the given picture. Next is, look at the given pictures. Describes in the about few sentences using the action word. Look at this picture. What about is in here? You can describe the all activities. Okay. The big park has a beautiful. The big park has a beautiful garden with tall trees. You are looking here. Tall trees and garden also. The green grass. Here is the green grass. There are benches for comfortable sitting. Here no, they all sitting here, benches of comfortable sitting. They people are sitting comfortable. In garden you also looking you also see that, no? Garden, how is garden? The tall trees, grass and benches and seesaw also, everything is here there, no? You can describe the garden's picture and you should write here like this only. The children are playing happily. You are also playing happily, no? When you are going to park and you are playing too happily. There is a small swimming pool. There is a small swimming pool. Here, see the picture, and here is a small swimming pool. You can describe this picture, okay? In the garden. In the garden. Let us make a paper plate, football. This one is activities you can do in your home. Take your parents' help, otherwise your friends' help, and made this paper plates and make a football. Just giving life. Okay, children. See you in the next class. To be continued.